Today topic is political science. First introduction, natural and theory of the political science. Next, second, evolution of political science. Evolution of political science. Okay, first today introduction. What is the meaning of political science? This political means it is the one of the word of formation of the government. How to formation of government and how to effect of the government is mainly affected political science. Natural and theory of political science. What is the meaning of political science? This is the main important word first here topic. Political science means polite. P-O-L-I-T. Polite means one of the state of government. State of the court and the state of the government. Polite, P-O-L-I-T. Polite means the state and the state of the court, the state of the government. Here mainly 5 topics are there in this subject. First one, natural and theory of political science. Second, evolution of political science. Evolution meaning this is the total depth of the political science. What is the meaning of political science and how many types of political science and how to formation of the government and how to establish of the government. These are main important topic of the political science. Next, third one, affected of the political science. Affected of the political science. What is affected of the political science? Effect means how to formation of the government. For example, political science is the not only in one country, total democratic countries, all over total every democratic countries have their political science. Effect. What is effect? Affected means it is the total depth of and area of the political science. Next, number 4, political science concept. Concept it is the main important part of the political science. So what is the meaning polite? Polite and what is the difference between polite and the political science? These are main two important words. Polite means it is the one of the state, one country, one of the state. It is called polite. One country, one of the state. One of the state. It is called polite. Politics. So remember recently so many people are dirty politics. Politics means it is the constitution or government. Okay. Politics meaning the constitution or government. Constitution or government. It is called politics. Okay. Here evolution natural again natural and theory of political science. Second one, evolution of political science. Number 3, affected of the political science and concept. What is the main concept of political science? How to use of political science? Commonly, historically, so many years back, only Western countries, only developed countries are there. Western countries, not only Europe, not only America, all Western countries only developed countries are there. So, number 5, this is the concept. Concept means what is political science? Political science is the two mainly this is derived from which language? In Greek language, old Greek language. Polis means this is the old Greek language. Polis means one of the one of the state of the court. So this is the polis and political. Polis and political. They are two different words. Political meaning constitution or government. Polis means one of the state of the court. So concept. Next topic, evolution of political science, affected of the political science, concept. Next, compare to the political science other social sciences. Compare to political science. Compare to the political science and other social science. Compare to the political science. And next, and other social science. Social science. So what is the main difference between political science and other social science? Political science, it is the study of the science. Study of science means to study of the total in our society, study of the government and study of the constitution. This is the main important of the words political science. And the other social sciences, other social sciences meaning compared to the other subjects and compared to political science, there is lot of differences are there. So social sciences meaning like social, history, geography. This is the social sciences example up to 10th level. Intermediate first level, political science is the introduction, mainly concept of the political science, how to formation of the government, who is the father of the political science. Example: Socrates, Plato, Aristotle. Three main scientists are there. Socrates, Plato, and Aristotle. Socrates is the father. He is the father of the political science. Socrates, one of the greatest Greek science fellow. Okay, Socrates. Next to Plato. Plato also one of the greatest scientific person. Plato. Socrates is the father of political science, and Plato also one of the greatest person. And Aristotle, who is Aristotle? The father of the democracy. The father of democracy mainly is called Aristotle. Aristotle, Socrates, Plato. These three persons are main important persons of the political science. Once again, Socrates and Plato, next to Aristotle. So, how to evolution? In the beginning of human years ago, so the formation of the government. Socrates is also one of the greatest of the old Greek scientists. Socrates. Next to Plato, also one of the old Greek scientists. And the third person, Aristotle, father of the democracy. Where democracy means not only demos, not only rules. The father of democracy is also called the rule of country, ruler of the peoples, and the father of the democracy. So it's the different type of meanings as there in the political sciences topic. So here in this chapter we shall study about the political theory. So political theory. So civics, political science. Civics means is the only for the subject of the common people. For example, in the like about body of the rights, human rights and citizens. Civic subject. Political science is the mainly formation of the government and laws and rules and for example, justice, equality, freedom. This is the main part of the political science. Equality, sociality, and freedom. So here so many scientists mainly explain the political compare end of the Second World War 1945 Western developed countries 1945 end of the Second World War Western developed countries first mainly shut off the politics. If this politics politics is the totally one of the body of the government and formation of the government. So this is the politics. End of the 1945. End of the 1945 meaning 1945 to 1990. This year mainly many changes, many country changes. Like some countries are democratic countries, some countries are monarch type of countries. Democratic countries particularly Western countries, West European developed countries, Western countries. End of the Second World War. Many democratic countries changes of the directions. Many monarch type of countries also change immediately like democratic countries. So this political affected political theory and political conclusion. This is the totally different of the in this subject. Political theory, political conclusion, and political affected. Politically mainly how to changes of the people's base. The people's mainly use the, for example, right to vote. The voting system also main important of the every democratic country. Voting system, elections time. For example, in India, every 5 years another elections. Every 5 years. Other countries like European countries 4 years, 6 years. So different countries, different type of follow the in democratic rules. So voting is the main important of the political theory and political parties. Political parties also one of the main important of the political science. Parties also, so many type of parties are there in our India and total all over world. The party also changes of the democratic rules. So political parties meaning it is the main aim. So what is the aim? The party's main goal. What is the main goals of parties? And people how to participate of the political system or political theory. So political parties and vote is the main important of the every democratic country. Vote elections time. So in this period, particularly 21st century period. Period means is the one of the years. So 21st century, this 21st century, so many type of countries. So many type of country means it is the democratic countries and next rules of countries, king rule of the countries like monarch type of countries. 21st century, many countries totally changes of many countries. Many countries means like 200 countries are changes of the democratic countries. 200 countries. So in the theory of the political science, evolutions and effectives and meaning. The meaning of the political science is the politeness, people's how to relationship of the government, people's and government compared to relationship of the people's and government. Government mainly depend on people's, the people's are dependent indirectly government. So the government are mainly central and state. There are two types of governments are there, central government and state government. So people's and government. There are two types of people's and government relationship. People's and next number one, people's and number two, government. So people's is the people's mainly people's what is the main aims, main what is main wanted of people's. People change the development. What is the main development of the countries? People mainly wanted to the agriculture like industries. So next second government. The government is the government totally directly depend on people's. People's also directly and indirectly depend on governments. The relationship vice versa. People's and government or government and people's. So the political evolutions, political theory, political evolutions is the last conclusion of the in political theory. The political theory, scientific methods and like relationship of the directly indirectly relationship, direct relationship and indirectly relationship. So this is the derived from, this is the actually this words in Greek old Greek language words in this political and polity and next like an example of the scientific methods, governments. So this is the old Greek language words. This Greek language words mainly totally changes of the in the government. So it is the main theory. So this is the mainly natural and theory of political science. This is the main topic of the political science, evolution of political theory, affected of the political science. What is main affected? Affected mean affected also mainly directly affected and indirectly affected of the political science. Next concept. What is main concept of the political science? The political science main concept for formation of the government, formation and elections and conduct the duty and next it is how to working of the political theory directly and indirectly. This is the main concept of the total briefly of the political science concept. Next compare to the political science and other social sciences. Compare what is the main difference political science and other social sciences. It is the lot of so many type of difference there. Political science and next other social sciences. Political science not only affected of the government, it is total fundamental rights, fundamental duties and citizenship and equality and freedom and sociality. So it is the different socialism. Total difference of means are there compared to the political science and other social sciences. So there are next mainly so many type of scientists like the Greek philosophers and Latin philosophers. Greek and Latin philosophers explained clearly what is polite or political. What is the main difference between polite and political? Polite and political. Polite means like humble humble of the government. Alright. And political meaning the system, the theory of the government directly, mainly connected directly of people, directly of the people. Polite and political. Polite means like a humble or respect. Next, political meaning respected government and rule of the government and formation of the government. This is the political system. So this is total lot of meanings of there. Meanings also total difference, polite and political. And next, 500 years ago, only Western countries are there. 500 years ago, meaning 17th to 18th centuries. 17th to 18th centuries, some countries, particularly Western European countries, Western European countries are only some countries like European countries. Western European countries only democratically totally trace of the last 500 years back, 17th to 18th centuries, particularly 800 to 900 years. So, about your son. So, what is the meaning of the political science? The meaning of the political science, so many Greeks, so many scientific fellows, like Socrates. Socrates is one of the greatest scientific of the person. Okay, Aristotle, Socrates, Plato, and one of the many scientists. As many is affected. Socrates is one of the greatest person, the Greek scientist, oldest Greek scientist. And these are persons mainly totally explain the political theories and political science. So this is the particularly mainly different type of meanings of the political science in the Greek language. The system of the government, body of the government. Political science actual meaning the body of the government and science of the government, body of the government and science of the government. There are different persons, different different scientists. Socrates, Plato, and Aristotle. Aristotle is also one of the greatest person of the total world. Aristotle explained mainly democracy system. You know already. Democracy is the system of the government. Demos. What is the meaning of demo? Demo is the demo meaning of peoples. Crescio. Crescio means rules. People's rule. Here directly people's only mainly ruling of the government. This word main explained Aristotle, greatest of the person. So Socrates, Plato, Aristotle, main effect of the scientific of methods and system of the government. The government functions also. What is the main functions of the government? Functions means here government functions. Functions of the government. Functions meaning here main parts. What is the main parts? Main parts, functions. Functions means here mainly nature of the government, natural and meaning and theory of the government, natural and meaning and theory. What is the natural? Natural means once upon a time humans are being set in the forest area. So how to change of the peoples mainly migrate from one place to another place. Why means it is the main food type of habits. So food purpose mainly people's daily traveling one place to another place, early human period, sitting in forest area. So that time no democracy, no people, no rules, no king, no kings. So afterwards, some years back, after some years after 200 years after 300 years, many countries changes. Some countries mainly change of the developed countries, some countries mainly developing countries, some countries backward of the countries. Here three type of countries are there total world. I can explain. First one, developed countries. Second, first developed countries. Second one, developing countries. Developing. Next, third one, not developed countries. Developed and developing and not developed countries. Here three type of countries. The three type of countries mainly only 16th century. The 16th century and 17th century. These two centuries divide the three type of group of countries: developed, developing, and non-developing. So is the political system and government. For example, developed countries only mainly based on the government, particularly Western countries. Next to developing like Asia and Africa, other Western backward of the countries, developed countries, non-developed of the countries. For example, African countries and Asian some countries like South Asian countries, non-developing countries. So these countries first, this political meaning. Developed countries only are manufactured political system and political theory. Political system and political theory. Next, government. How to formation of the government. Next, formation of the government. Formation of the government. Political theory. Formation. What is the meaning of formation? Formation meaning start. How to start it? How to start it of the government. And what is the meaning of government? Government means your political theory. People's only ruling of the government. Government meaning people's only. All are people. Equal, all are equal before the law. Yes, main important word. All are equal before the law. Okay. So all are equal before the law. It is the equality of the government. Formation of the government. Government meaning all are equal before the law. Government is one of the main type of the peoples. People's only mainly people's main important of the government. Next to formation. How to formation of the government? Start. Formation meaning start. The political system is the government. Government and government also divided so many types. Example number 1, central government. Number 1, central government. And next to second, state government. Central government and the next second, state government in our Indian country. So every democratic country, government is the main important. Some countries mainly kingdom countries are there. Example, Saudi Arabia and other Korea, Saudi Arabia and Korea, and some other countries like Western countries, West Asian countries. Western Asian countries, this country is monarch type of countries. Monarch meaning kingdom. King or queen. King or queen. Monarch type of countries. King or queen. So here are two types of governments are there. Number 1, democratic government. Democratic government, all are equal before the law system. Mainly all are equal before the system, also their democratic government. Next to peoples. Here peoples are main important. Next to functions. What is the main functions? How many types of government? Functions are types. Number 1, central government. Number 2, state government. And next to this is the first method. Second type monarch. And monarch are king. Monarch or king. King or queens. Monarch means king or queens ruling of the government. Directly king or queen rule of the government. It is called monarch type of countries. Okay. So next is it clear? Government and monarch. Government and monarch. Nowadays, this 21st century, democratic governments are main important. For example, India and US. Two countries, there India and US and Asian some countries. So these countries mainly democratic is the mainly directly ruling. Some countries directly ruling, some countries indirectly ruling. So second, monarch. Monarch type countries, so there is no elections. Sometimes king or queen die after sometimes conduct the elections. The elections some areas only, particularly some regions areas only conduct the elections. Okay, government. Second, monarch and functions. So political theory is political system. Nowadays, totally change of the political system. The political theory and political system and conclusion. What is the main conclusion of the political system? The politically peoples is the main important of the in the system. So political system main important peoples. Peoples is the main important of the political system. Peoples only main conduct elections. Peoples only mainly participate in elections, direct elections, indirect elections. And next to peoples only mainly changes of the government change. Last 5 years back, 10 years back, present peoples. Their main power, political power and economical power. Political and economical power totally changes of the society, political system, peoples only. The peoples is the main important of the system of the society. Peoples is the main point of the society. The society is the totally different types society mean Hindu society or Christians or next Muslims. There are different type of society there. Total all over world society. The society main important persons peoples. The peoples only mainly changes of the governments. So it is the monarch type of system, central government and state government. Okay, society, people, society and government. The mainly political system, the political theory, many words. 90%, 85 to 90%, 85 to 90% main which language? Greek language only. Old Greek language. These are what old Greek language only. Old Greek language. Remaining 10% Latin language. Latin language is only there. Old Greek and next to Latin language. So almost political theory 90% about Greek language only. 90% political, politics, government, and next to constitution. Constitution meaning government. Constitution. Okay, political constitution and political theories. This totally what mainly Greek and Latin language, Latin words and Greek words. So many scientists explain clearly political theory, political system and nature and meaning. What is the meaning of political system? The political system meaning peoples only mainly effect of in this system directly, indirectly. Peoples only directly participated of the elections, direct elections, example, indirect elections. So peoples only mainly important of the in this system. And so many scientists like Socrates, Plato, Aristotle and Alexander, so many different type of scientists are there, different type of greatest philosophers. Philosophers means philosopher meaning like a total human body, like human souls. Human souls one of the topic, human souls because they philosophers. Aristotle, for example, society, democracy system also explain Aristotle, Plato and Aristotle, Socrates. So this is the main point of the society, Socrates and societies. The peoples are the parts in the formation of government, formation of the government and formation of effect of the constitution. Constitution, this is what constitute what? This derived from constitution, derived from constitute. Greek language word constitute. What is the meaning of constitute? Constitute means mainly established or started of the government and established of the government It is called constitute. It's called constitute. Establishment of government and how to start of the government. It is called constitute. So constitution total or whole part of the government. Whole or total part of the government. It is called constitution. So constitution is the main important and permanent body of the government and main important body of the government, and government also how to start of the government and how to divide of the government. Totally political theory system also, political science also there. So it is the 18th to, for example, 18th to 20th centuries. These two centuries, 18th to 20th centuries, 200 years. 18th to 20th centuries, so many governments also established different views or different methods. 18th to 20th centuries. 18th century, 100 above countries. 18th to 20th centuries, 200 years. 100 above countries got the independence. After 21st century, 21st century is the so many countries like Kingdom countries also changes of the government. So the 20th century, this is 3 centuries, 18th, 19th, 20th. The 20th century is the main important of the century. Why the 20th century is also called the age of extremes. Age of extremes. Age of extremes. Why? This is the main important of the 20th century.